Oh, it's good to be back in the saddle, as they say, folks. It's getting to be fall, and we finally finished up 100% the Farmall B from the repair and last May of 2024's accident where I got knocked off this little schnookers. Anyways, it had some other cosmetic issues, such as rust on the wheels, needed a new rim, just a bunch of different things. So we did a little bit of touch up on it, which was finally nice to get done. Got the steering piece touched up, got the metal in front of it touched up the rims and the inner parts of the wheels, and just made it really look nice again. Kind of bring it back to life. The only thing we really didn't touch up was the woods mower because it's going to get beat up. Now, I don't have the tin on the front of it here, but I just took it off so we could paint a little better and get this arm painted up. It had been hit over time with enough twigs and sticks and everything else, or the paint had come off it, so I thought, let's just get it fixed up. Once we got it fixed up and we got all the tin back on it, it was time to fire it up out here and get it going out in the field. So it's a beautiful fall day, and we're gonna just whack this field down. So we're gonna kind of get it in gear and see if we can get this thing to kind of kick in and just run like the wind. That's pretty much what we want to do. This little B is a little bit Armstrong steering style, but yeah, it's kind of fun. As far as the woods mower goes, sure, they're not the sharpest blades and they're belt driven, so they're not the tightest things in the world. But for the most part, it actually cuts halfway decent, especially for mowing down over tall pasture grass that the animals weren't able to keep up with, which then helps because then that grass will degrade into the soil better and it'll make it work a lot nicer as far as composting and stuff. I also find that if you go into winter and it doesn't just lay down on itself, you don't have that thick, heavy thatch to deal with in the spring so much. It's just nice to get the old beast back out on the road, folks. In this case, in the field. She's cutting great. It's mowing really well. The grass out here, like I said, it's fall. It's thick. It's starting to tangle up a little bit. The animals, the goats and the horses just haven't been able to control this field real well. So taking it down is really a good thing. It's healthy to do for the land. And this little tractor is just running great. It's nice to have it back up. I know after the accident it was totaled out, but we decided not to take that claim. We ended up declining it, fixed it completely up, new front end, and gosh, look how nice it's cutting there. New tin in the front, and my brother fixed up the grate with another guy out in I think he's out in South Dakota, which was really nice of him, and got a new radiator in it, a new steering box in it, new front arms on it, and just kind of brought it all back to life. But it's cutting great, folks. I'm just real pleased. It feels so good to be back on it. It's just kind of the cool breeze of an evening day on your skin as you're sitting out here in an open face tractor just putting along. I know it looks like we're going fast. This video is not sped up, but really you're not going that fast on this tractor right now. I appreciate you guys always liking and watching the channel. Just wanted to give you an update. The bee is officially back up and mowing. The Farmall is on the farm, completely functional again, and I'm glad to report so am I. I hope you guys have a wonderful fall picking things and getting all winterized. It's doing great on my end here, especially with a beautiful night like this for cutting.